You are going to need these ingredients:
salt,
iced sugar,
milk,
flour,
egg,
vanilla extract,
butter.
Let's start. 2 cups of flour. Sift the flour.
a pinch of salt, 140 grams of iced sugar. Mix it all.
A 140 grams of butter.
Mix it all.
Add the egg. And vanilla.
Roast for 30 minutes in a plastic bag.
And fruit. Use the paper straw to make the hole. And now for the decoration, iced sugar and milk.
Add the color for extra fun.